Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Video. So in today's video, I'm actually gonna get up on my scaffolding that I set up, and I'm gonna start trying to take some of these bolts out of these old lamppost globes. And they're all like, some of them are seized up on there. So I set my scaffolding up because I might have to cut some of these globes off and cut the bolts off, and then I will have to drill them out, retap them, so forth and so on, before I can put the new globe on there. I just want to be able to remove and replace those globes in the future as bulbs burned out and stuff like that, and they're really ugly right now. So I'm gonna try to get that done and do one and video it. Have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and as soon as the video's over, go check out some of the other content. Here we go. All right, just got done with that. Let's see. Oh! Crystal clear. I can put in Wi-Fi controlled bulbs at a different time, and I'll be able to change the colors on them, turn them on and off from the app, as long as I can get signal out here, which I think I can. Pretty sweet. Alright. Oh. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate everybody. Bigfoot.